Hello, everyone, and happy St. Valentine's Day to you, your families, and everyone you meet. And who exactly was St. Valentine's, by the way? And why do we honor this very special day of love? I thought that you might want to know that St. Valentine of Rome was actually a priest who lived during the reign of Emperor Claudius II. Little is known of his life, except that he did minister to Christians who were persecuted and imprisoned for their faith, and he died a martyr. Now, he was very important in love and marriage because there's one account has it that the Emperor of Rome banned all marriages and engagements in Rome because the emperor believed that this was the reason why Roman men were unwilling to serve in the army. St. Valentine defied this unjust decree, and he continued to perform marriages for lovers in secret. Eventually, he was arrested, and while in prison, it is said that he restored sight to his jailer's blind daughter, causing the jailer and his entire household, which was 46 people in total, to immediately convert to Christianity. Well, you can imagine that upon hearing this, the Emperor Claudius ordered Valentine's execution. St. Valentine, though, left a farewell note for the jailer's daughter, whom he had already befriended, and he signed it, "From your Valentine." Does that seem familiar as to what we're doing today? On February 14th, Valentine was beheaded, and he is the patron saint of many causes, including beekeepers, the betrothed and engaged couples, lovers, love, happy marriages, and young people. So now you know how we started St. Valentine's. And in honor of that, of course, we use the color red. And hi, Maureen. You can see I'm dressed in a red ruby ribbon, which of course is red. This is our latest sports demiette. And boy, what a sports demiette it is. As you can see, it has a zipper, and the zipper works. Whoops, I almost had a little bit of costume malfunction there, but it is great. Look at the back of it, how amazing it is. Is that cool or not? I love that back. So that's the back of it. This is the front of it. And it is our latest sport demiette. The other sport demiettes that we have are a great tiger print and, of course, the regular black sport demiette. Those sport demiettes are amazing. They are made out of antimicrobial material. I wear one of mine every single day for my hot yoga class. And let me tell you something, not only is it supportive, but it stays very comfortable. It doesn't get that musty smell that sports attire usually gets. I can't recommend it enough. Sometimes we say, oh, I really want that, but I can't quite fit it into my budget. Well, that brings up the fact that at Ruby Ribbon, around these days, including today and for a few more days, we're having a special where when you pick 3 or more Camisoles and or Demiettes, you get 15% off of the entire purchase. So this is a great time. I even had a client, as a matter of fact, earlier that have included sport demiette in their choice because this is your time to be able to choose whatever ruby ribbon piece you want, any color, any style, and as long as you get 3, you will get 15% off the entire purchase. Now, speaking of ruby ribbon camisoles and demiettes, I happen to have some of the latest revelations here to show you. These are the latest patterns, which is called confetti. This one sold out when it first came out, but it is back in stock. This is the very popular lace full support ruby ribbon camisole. I think the reason it's so popular is because sadly a lot of women have got that underwire impression built into their bodies from wearing underwire all their life. And this lace panel adds a special layer of lift, and it gives that sensation of having something right around the band area. So this lace full support camisole is very popular. As with all ruby ribbon camisoles, you step into it. So that means, yes, you put it on feet first as if you were putting on a bathing suit or a pair of jeans or slacks. When you step into it, this gripper edge makes a seal right around the hip area, and this gripper edge is what keeps the camisole down all day long, all night long as you're wearing it. So again, this is the lace full support model. It does have the back support and a very pretty lace inset along with the back support. It comes in every color: black, pale, white, confetti, even this new color that we've come out, which is called fawn. And I love the fawn color. It's like a dark pale. It's like a dark nude color. So some of us, this is actually a better neutral than the regular nude color. So this is called fawn. Now, this style that I'm showing you is our lace demiette. It has a nice V-neck, has a lace detail around the bottom, still has that gripper edge, and obviously the gripper edge is going to be more around the band area. You can put this on over your head, and it also has back support. This lace demiette comes in a very wide range of sizes, and it is super, super popular, and I've sold a lot of these lately. It also comes in the new confetti pattern, and isn't that pretty? And also, of course, the regular colors: black, white, pale, and so forth. And again, is right in there in that triple your lift deal. The other cami that I want to show you is absolutely brand new. It's a new collection we call Second Skin collection. Now, it looks to me like it's looking like just a regular camisole on this screen, and it is designed to literally just blend into your skin. Here's what the back of it looks like. It does have the ability to crisscross. See how these guys come off? So you can put it on the other side and make it a crisscross, which is very helpful for special styles that you might wearing. And it's also very, very helpful for a great posture and for good back support and a different kind of front support. But this is the camisole. Now, the fabric is much thinner and a lot lighter than our regular ruby ribbon camisoles are. It still has great stretch, and it still has a gripper edge, but you can see that the gripper edge is a little bit different. It's made out of little polka dots. This comes in a camisole, and also it comes in a demiette. Again, you can make this a part of your triple the lift, 15% off 3 or more. I encourage you gals to take advantage of this. It's amazing the revolutionary work that we're doing in this company, and it's very humbling to see the women that are being helped from all walks of life, health-wise, cancer support, any kind of situation that you might have with your skin, with your heart. I mean, I'm not a doctor, but it's just very rewarding to see the women that are being served by these very comfortable and beautiful and supportive garments. So I want to invite all of you to comment below if this is the replay. Simply put hashtag replay. Give me some Facebook love that you're watching, and reach out to me via Facebook Messenger so that I can interact with you and show you how you can get some of these camis if you want to host a party or even become a stylist. It is about as easy can be. So thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Hope that you have a very blessed St. Valentine's Day. Share the love and kind deeds for anyone that comes your way. Love all of you. God's blessings on you. And enjoy the day. Bye-bye.